Actually, yeah, while you get the next question, sorry, I think, I don't think anyone should do a 100% vegan diet. And I think the supplement quote should be maybe some oysters once a week. And I know plant-based people who do this, and they have their ethical reasons, and they have whatever reasons they've so I'll say fallen for this diet, because I don't think it's a human diet. Whatever your reasons are, all right, eat the whole foods once a week, grab some oysters. I think that can save you. That little bit of animal nutrition is a hugely important part of your diet. You'll get a ton of B12, which is what the vegans have to supplement with. You'll get other good things in those oysters, actual bioavailable iron and copper and zinc, and you're going to do well. Just do it. Just choke them down, swallow some raw oysters, whatever you have to do. Oysters don't have feelings. They don't have a central nervous system. They don't have a brain. Just eat the oysters. Okay, let's move on.
No, I think that's great, actually, because, I mean, if you want to put, some people would call it pescatarian if you're including seafood or whatever. But that's an interesting idea. So instead of doing the pill supplements and whatnot, which, there's always issues with supplements, purity, et cetera, that you could use oysters. That I'd never heard that idea before. Or maybe some other seafood or whatever, if you wanted to be quote unquote like pescatarian, but that the main point is whole foods, unprocessed foods, and to add in enough stuff that's nutrient dense, which is where the oysters come in, I guess, to kind of fill in some of those needs.
You can be whole food plant-based. You can call yourself whole food plant-based. You never said 100% plant-based. You just said you're plant-based. So yes, you could have 99% of your diet be whole food plant-based. You have some oysters, you're good.
Yeah. Oysters seem pretty ethical to me. But anyway.